Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Adda. So today we are going to find premium based trading symbol. Okay. So earlier I have done a video related to fetching instrument key just utilizing trading symbol. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna with the help of premium or we can say as a last price, we can fetch the trading symbol. Okay. So I will give link in the description. You can go with the website, the post where I have been given the code. Okay, so usually you can check this out. So this is the previous video of mine. So you just check this stuff with the sample output I've been given. And next thing you required is an URL, okay, which is offered by the Upstocks. Okay, so this thing is required. So just take it out. I mean, with a few of the explanation with the columns with the required. So as we can see, some of the things which we are looking for as the symbol contains as a bank nifty with expiry, and with that we have a strike price. Okay, so now what happens, we required a pandas to read that URL. Okay, and this is our columns. So based on columns, okay, with the header name, we will gonna sort it out. Few of the stuffs, we'll store the instruments as required, and then we'll try to fetch. I mean, we are doing the same thing as earlier we have been done. So to read this URL, you required pandas, which is like, you can simple just read it and it will like give the complete CSV file. Now this can be done with the help of request library, but I think this is the best. Okay, if you face issues, just go with the request library. Now what we are doing, we are giving these things. So before, like, giving to the trading symbol, especially in a CSV file, we will sort it out. So it will be easy to get that particular CSV file. So for sorting, what we can do at first, we will call them as in in instruments, which will say as an instruments of a trading symbol. Okay, so while fetching, what happens if you try to call this trading symbols, you will get as a NaN value error. Okay, so to avoid this, what you need to do is, all you have to do as a trading symbol dot fill NA, in that you have to give single comments. Okay, and you have to close that comment. So after this, what happens, it will be easy to call your trading symbol. Okay, so especially if I need to sort it out, okay, I will call in this way, or otherwise we just need to give it in CSV. So what we can say, that in instruments, say suppose I'm getting with sort method. So in instruments of instruments, okay, which is trading symbol will be there, and in trading symbol a bank nifty will contain. Okay, so contains means this will be a spot symbol will be there, which I will mention it here. Say spot symbol equals what I'm fetching is a bank nifty. Okay, you can take any of the symbols. Okay, so I'm doing as per the index. You can go with other trading symbol as well. Okay, so you just choose your spot symbol and go with it. If it is equity, just say as a Tata Motors or any of the single symbol which you prefer. Okay, so this instruments, what happens if it is there, we need to give it in a CSV. Okay, while giving this CSV, we will say it's same, and we will say index equals false, so we won't face any issues. Okay, so I think we got our CSV file, and we can see that it is processing much faster. Okay, so that will be the best way. So we'll check our once instrument.csv that we be looking we got or not. Okay, so as I think all of the trading symbol which contains bank nifty, it is there. So one of other things are that some of the trading symbol which is not required, especially it won't be option index as well, so that is also get accumulated. Okay, so we can sort it out further and we can avoid the stuff. Okay, so as of right now we are done with these things. So right now, instead of getting with this, we can straight away read these instruments. Okay, so what we can say, this in instruments, all we have to say instruments equals pd dot read underscore csv, and here I have to give whichever it is downloaded. So here done. Okay, now we will go with our trading symbol. We will sort with the help of trading symbol. So what are the things we have to give? We have to give this, exchange is there, and with that I have to give expiry. So expiry, as you know, in string contains what happens, it asks for a string variable, and we know that to contain anything such of the expiry which I am looking for. Okay, basically it is it will be 19. Okay, so the symbols which is going to be expired will be 19th. Okay, which we can check also on Wednesday. It will expire. So as of right now it is Monday, so we can give the expiry. So just check it out. If you just give one in the end as per the year, month and date, so we just give the date, it will be enough to fetch the symbols with the bank nifty. So only bank nifty with expiry with this particularly it contains. Now these things sometimes in rare case what happens, these things will create ambiguity. To try this stuff, at least you need to check all those things. So that is also I'm going to show how to do. Now what happens, I'm going with the next stuff. So I will say with the same, will contain this in a parenthesis. Now this is to sort it out if you are not facing issues, and particularly if you are getting these things, means we are doing great work. Okay, so this need to be, this string contains which we are doing should be in a sequence, and it should not give an error. If it is giving error, means it is whatever you are trying to fetch is incorrect, and that's need to be corrected. Okay, so in a whole bunch you try to explore this stuff. So one or two values, multiple values, multiple columns will be a great deal. Okay, same so we got with our expiry, so we are getting with the expiry in these things, and the next stuff what we are looking is expiry. Okay, so we need to mention the expiry as well, in case say suppose if we try to create ambiguity. Okay, so in that case also you can do, but I think until expiry we are good to go. It will at this case at least you want to try to get other things. Okay, because expiry contains with only this stuff. Okay, but that trading symbol. Okay, so here we are good to go. So I will ask for the trading symbol. Now what happens, this particularly it will give me whatever the things are required. Now I have to give it in a list. Okay, so I need to sort it out. Now when sorting is there, Okay, particularly have to get with the ascending and descending. CP will be there. So C means C comes first and P comes later. Okay, so while sorting I will utilize this stuff. So in this I need to say whether I want to get with the C or P. So I need to mention, okay, CP will be there. So first of all I'll get with the C, then I will go with the P. I will utilize this dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary what happens if you try to put some symbols, update symbols, if any kind of a recurring or duplicate values are there, it will eliminate, and that is the reason this is a great deal, okay, while sorting. So if I say that if it is C, okay, in C case what happens while sorting, the trading symbol, say suppose the trading symbol which I am calling here will be we can mention as a CE, and we can say as a CET, and in this case we'll give the trading symbol itself. And in this trading symbol what happens, I will sort it out. I will first sort it out to get the trading symbol. So you have to give the values and we have to mention which category you are sorting out. Okay, and while sorting, especially first whatever it sorts, it will definitely will be in ascending. So definitely we want this ascending to be true, and if it is P, we'll say false. So we got our CET. Now what happens, this CET symbol should be in a list. Okay, so it is simple. I will say the CET and a trading symbol, just give it in a list. Okay, that's it. What happens, this CET contains this last price as well. Okay, so if I ask for CEP, I need to give the value which is CET is there. So in these things, if you are fetching the last price, okay, you need to round, because I think which you ask for the decimal, you never know what type of decimal it contains. So if you ask for 10 rupees values, if decimal will be there, so it won't fetch. Okay, so if you round it up, it will give you the value looking for. Now what I need to do is I need to zip this and I have to give it in a dictionary. So all I have to say for x comma y, okay, in zip, what we are zipping, as a CEP, and the next as a CES. Okay, this need to be updated in a premium, which will say dictionary. So we'll say update premium dot update, and we will give it x is to y. Okay, simple. And we have to give a dictionary here. So we'll say, I hope you understood that why we are calling a dictionary. Okay, because dictionary had a great deal. And if you want to understand this dictionary, I have a video. Okay, so you can check my channel. Okay, so premium is updated. So if it is C, it will give me the premium updated. Okay, so now what I have to, while looking at this stuff, I need to give the price as well. So while updating, so if I'll ask for the price, you should give me that value. So it is in float. If it is we are rounding that stuff. So now what happens, I will ask in premium that if it is 10 rupees value, what is the CE? CEP in a dictionary, what happens, as we are going with our last price, so last price with CE. Okay, so if it comes P, it will eliminate, because you're trying to create a duplicate which avoided by the dictionary itself. Okay, so if I ask for like premium as a 10 rupees, it will give me this trading symbol. Okay, which is great. Now to avoid this ambiguity, one more thing which you can do, you can ask whether it is CEP or not, and if the value is 10, if the value is 10, this then it is okay. Otherwise what you can do, you can create if, else if, and else. At least in three values of like 10, 9 and 8, you will definitely get a trading symbol, that's for sure. Okay, so you need to see how you're gonna utilize this dictionary, okay, and how you're gonna do. The only part as of right now what I'm doing is it's a very smooth. Okay, especially suppose if I'm trying to fit go with a zero hero setup. Okay, especially then exactly it will help me a lot. And the next what happens if I am going with the hedge option selling, especially I will fetch first ATM. Okay, then I will try to find it an alternative premium which contains of like as of value of rupees 10. Okay, so that is how we can say. So you need to say whether it is CP, then how, that is how you can do. Now same thing what happens, so suppose if I give it as an ascending false. Okay, so it will fetch for me P with the same whatever I am asking. So C gets changes to P. So 10 rupees if I'm asking, I think sorry, ascending should be like because see this is the error which I received. Sorry, ascending should be false itself. I need to check what error I am doing. Key error is 10.0. So this is how I must say that it is not containing the value which I am looking for. Okay, so I can ask for other things as well. While sorting, I think I'm doing the great deal. So if I ask for the P, okay, if it is not available, then we need to go with other stuff. So this is the error we will fetch. Okay, I think I'm doing some mistakes. So first of all, I need to check. So premium, maybe if I'm updating. I'm sorting here with expiry. So let's check the date. So I think I'm doing some mistakes, so I need to check. So here if I, first of all, I'll check this. Okay, sorry, the main point, see, that's what happens. We didn't make the P as a true. Okay, so that is the reason we are getting error. What happens, at least in 10, 9, 8, we'll definitely get a value, that's for sure, while rounding the stuff. Okay, so that is how you can check. Otherwise you can put a for loop. So to avoid the ambiguity, it's up to you how you're gonna deal. Okay, and we mentioned this price, so we'll now you'll see this. So this is the trading symbol which I am receiving. So it's 48,300 P. I'll ask for one more symbol, I mean one more price, and we will check. So as you can see, it is in C. So you need to check whether it is in C or P. So we are particularly fetching a P symbol. So what happens, it is not in P. So that is you need to check. Okay, so if I say as in 8, okay, so that is how it will try to give the values. So you need to check, and you can say as in this way. Okay, so you can say whether it is CP. Okay, so do try this code. Okay, I will definitely give the code in my website. Check link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me directly by WhatsApp. Thank you.